Hey there sailors, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get Essence Arborum in Windrose. Now there are a few things that you're going to need before you can get the Essence Arborum. First off, on your journal, go over to Discovery right here, and at the very least you should have unlocked the Cursed Swamp region. You can get to this place once you have defeated the local threat over on the foothills area, who is called Israel Hands right over here, and he is part of the main quest line, so you won't really have a problem trying to find where he is. Now once you have finished the local threat, more than likely, one of the next things that you're going to do is get the quest called the Forgotten Relics. If I check over to my map right now, and over here to the bottom right, the Forgotten Relics is over here, and it led up to the very first Cursed Swamp area of my world. So as long as you got the Forgotten Relics marker on your map, then it should be the first Cursed Swamp that you are going to encounter. Now over on the discovery of the Cursed map, Essence Arborum is one of its key discoveries, and the one thing that you're going to need is the Plague Wood right over here. And thankfully, we do have a video of how to get the Plague Wood on the channel, so you might want to check it out. Now for you to turn the Plague Wood into Essence Arborum, approach any of your smelting furnaces, and you should be able to find the Essence Arborum here on one of the plants and recipes. 1 Plague Wood will equal to 1 Essence Arborum. And just give it a good few seconds for it to process. And once it's done processing, you should have unlocked the key discovery of the Essence Arborum. If you take a look now on your journal and go over to Discovery, you should have unlocked some new schematics, which is the Ingot Arborum, the Bullet Arborum, and the Minor Sun Ring, and also another element, which is the Enchanting Table. And that's pretty much about it on how to get the Essence Arborum in Windrose.